A minute in the life
sa Duha ka Laagan.
Hello mga Laag!
Hi mga Laag! Okay, second part na.
Yes, and guess where we are right now?
Ito sa
Uh-huh.
grazing field.
Yeah, a lot of grazing.
Grazing field. Okay, so here we are. Our food ay
These are the different dishes that we ordered today. So let's start with
karage bites.
karage
with
bites and
sweet
sesame.
spicy sauce.
Yes, and lettuce.
And next we have the Mediterranean salad. What?
We have a mixture of olives, tofu, onion,
And lush greens.
yeah, lush greens from the Amazon forest.
And of course, cheese pizza.
Definitely, there are 4 cheeses in that pizza.
Yes. And finally, of course,
Yes, the hickory smoked
back ribs.
back ribs.
Perfection. With garlic rice. And of course, our drink.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have the banana berry smoothie.
And I have the strawberry milkshake.
Okay.
Cheers! It's really yummy. Serving here is really big.
Amazing.